Hey Jake. What have you been up to?
Hi, Emily. I have been working on a personal project. I'm trying to create a language learning app that's really interactive.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I always wanted to learn Spanish. How is your app different from others out there?
Well, I'm trying to incorporate virtual reality into it. Imagine learning Spanish by virtually exploring a Spanish city, talking to local characters.
That sounds innovative. It would be like total immersion in the language. And when do you plan to release it?
I'm still in the development phase, but I'm aiming for next summer. I have a lot of work to do, but I'm excited about the potential.
I'm sure it will be a success, Jake. Changing the subject, do you remember when we talked about traveling the world together?
Yes, of course. That conversation inspired my current project, actually. I would love to combine traveling and language learning.
It's such a cool idea. Maybe when your app is ready we can plan a trip together to test it.
That would be amazing. And what have you been up to lately? Still thinking about opening your own business?
Yes, absolutely. I am taking online courses to improve my entrepreneurship skills. But it's a challenge, you know? Sometimes uncertainty makes me nervous.
I understand. Entrepreneurship is an emotional roller coaster, for sure. But I know you are talented and dedicated. You will make it happen, Emily.
Thanks, Jake. Your support means a lot to me. Let's keep working on our dreams and supporting each other along the way.
Absolutely, Emily. Let's make it happen and one day achieve all our goals and aspirations.
Thank you for watching. If you found the content of this video useful, please leave your like and write your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos.